coming down I-15 in Utah County, not too far from the Wavetronix headquarters, you get to a place where there's a little bit of a hill just before you come down to an intersection.
This particular off-ramp posed a problem for the Utah Department of Transportation because it's a bit blind as drivers exit the freeway and it's high speed.
UDOT ran into a problem where they were trying to see, well, how do we solve for these cars that are stopped at the intersection, but it's not just, not just 30 feet back, not just 3 cars. It could be a potential big platoon of cars that are stopped back.
The second challenge is the drivers at freeway speeds coming up to the stopped cars at the intersection.
So how can we at least notify drivers of a potential problem?
For the solution, UDOT decided to use Wavetronix SmartSensor Advance at the intersection.
And it can shoot back 600 feet. So they put it up high. I think it's about 40 feet in the air. And it's shooting back. It can see over that little hill, right, that most of the drivers kind of come. And it can see the cars as they're coming from the freeway. And then it can see them as they kind of come up over this hill and then down.
And UDOT configured the advanced sensor using some of its unique features, such as speed and distance filters, so that if cars are stopped at the intersection, or if cars have slowed to a certain speed, a warning is triggered for drivers exiting the freeway.
There's a flashing sign there that says, "Stop vehicles on ramp," and then it has a little wig-wag type flashing light thing. And so what the flashing will do is that when there's a car that's stopped on the ramp, it will flash that sign and say, "Stop vehicles on ramp." So it's a pretty cool application all in all. It really helps the drivers coming off the freeway know, hey, there's a potential you need to slow down sooner than you think, and you maybe can't see what you expect to see.
To learn more about Wavetronix solutions, visit wavetronix.com or schedule a digital traffic lab with one of our traffic specialists at wavetronix.com/lab.